multiplying a monomial and a polynomial. Now recall that a monomial is a polynomial with just one term. If you take a look at this 3 here in our part A, 3 is a monomial because it's just one term. And inside the parentheses we have c minus 4. This is a binomial because it has two terms. Now to multiply, we use the distribution property, which simply allows you to take the 3 and multiply it across to the c and the negative 4. So we have 3 times c plus 3 times negative 4. And of course we clean it up, so we have 3c minus 12. Now question B has 2x cubed, which is a monomial, being multiplied by x squared minus x plus 2, which is a trinomial. It has 3 terms. So we have to recall some rules of exponents, distributing the 2x cubed to the x squared, the minus x, and the plus 2. Rules of exponents for that first term, you have 2 times x cubed times x squared. You have to add those exponents, so we get 2x to the 5th. Then the next term, 2x cubed times negative x. Remember that x is being raised to the first power, so when you add the 3 to the 1, you get negative 2x to the 4th. And finally, plus 2x cubed times 2. So this is multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. It doesn't always stay that simple, however, and now we have to multiply two binomials. So we use this method called the FOIL method, and really all this method is a form of organization. It keeps you organized as you're performing this multiplication. So just like on the previous slide where we had to make sure that that monomial was distributed to every term inside that parentheses, it's the same thing here when we're multiplying two polynomials, two binomials specifically. The FOIL method, the F stands for the first terms. So we're going to take the first two terms, which is the A times the C. Then we take the outer terms, or the A times the D. The I stands for our inner terms. So we're going to multiply the B times the C. And finally, our last terms, so we're going to multiply our B times D. So let's add numbers to it. Multiply using the FOIL method. 7x plus 3 being multiplied by the quantity of 2x plus 4. So we have two binomials being multiplied here. Our F stands for first terms, which is the 7x times the 2x. Our O will be our outer terms, or the 7x times 4. The I will be the inner terms, or 3 times 2x. And the L is the last terms, or the 3 times 4. Now clean it up. So we have 7x times 2x is 14x squared, plus 7x times 4 is 28x, plus 3 times 2x is 6x, plus 3 times 4 is 12. We do have like terms that can be combined here. We have the 28x and the 6x, which can be combined. And our final solution is 14x squared plus 34x plus 12.